So students, now let's start activity 10.2 Parabola. So our objective for this activity is to construct a parabola. Take a cardboard and fix a graph paper on it with the help of board pins. Take a point S on graph sheet through S, draw a line, draw another line, L perpendicular to the line through S, at some distance K unit to the left of S. So students, this is a point S, and at some distance K we have drawn a perpendicular to the line through S, that is L. Now step 4. Take any point M1 on line L and draw a perpendicular to L at this point. So let's take a point M1, that is M1 on line L, and draw a perpendicular to L1, this point. Join M1 to S and draw the perpendicular bisector of M1S. That is, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of M1S. When we draw the perpendicular bisector, the point obtained is point P1. It cuts the perpendicular line through M1 at P1. Fix a board pin at P1. Take another point M2 on line L and repeat the same process. To obtain the another point P2. That is, now let's take another point M2, draw a perpendicular line to line L and join M2 to S and draw a perpendicular bisector of M2S which cuts the perpendicular through M2 at point P2. Take some more points M3, M4, M5 and obtain point of intersection P3, P4, 5, M3, draw perpendicular, join M3 to S and perpendicular bisector of M3S at point and name it as P3. Similarly, take another point M4, go perpendicular, join M4 to S and draw perpendicular bisector of M4S which cuts line through M4 at point which cuts the line through M4 at point P4. Now similarly, take a point M5, draw perpendicular to S, join M5S and take the perpendicular bisector of M5S which cuts at point P5. Take a point M6, draw perpendicular to line L, join M6 to S and take the perpendicular bisector of M6S, which cuts the line at point P6, M7, draw perpendicular to line L, join M7 to S and draw a perpendicular bisector of M7S, which cuts the line through M, that is perpendicular through M7 at point P7. Fix the board pins at point P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6 and P7. And tie a thread at each point to get a freehand curve. The points to get a freehand curve. So in this way, when we join the points P1 to P2, P3, P4, the shape or the figure obtained is a parabola. In this way we have constructed. So join the points P1 to P2, P2 to P3, P4, P5, P6 and P7 and to obtain our parabola.